It's finally time for your Friday weather forecast, and foggy patches expected early in the morning over the southeast coast and adjacent interior, with also a few foggy patches here in parts of Namaqualand and the west coast district. Then it will remain chilly over the southwestern coast, but hot and mainly dry over the rest of South Africa. Only a slim chance of a few drops of rain falling over the west coast and the over parts of the Western Cape, and a slim chance of light rain falling very late along the coast of the Eastern Cape. Only a 10% chance of a few thunderstorms bubbling up here over Lesotho, parts of the Free State and KwaZulu-Natal. Those thunderstorms will most likely quickly blow away. It's only the cloud that will block your solar panels getting some sunshine over those regions at times, but a peak PV harvest over the rest of South Africa. Windy over the interior of the country with a fresh northwesterly wind blowing, winds turning 180 degrees along the southern coastline. They will now blow westerly and strong at times, with also a strong northeasterly wind blowing over the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal. A few foggy patches early on Friday morning near Vredendal and Langebaan. We are expecting some cloud to hang over the coast with a slim chance of a few drops of rain. It is still quite chilly in the Western Cape and also along the southern coastline with a strong westerly wind blowing at times, maximum temperatures remaining below 20 degrees. A few foggy patches on Friday morning for the southern as well as the Eastern Cape coast and adjacent interior. Later, the wind picking up over the northern as well as central regions, warming up to a high of 30 degrees in Mthatha and 29 expected in Matatia. A few foggy patches on Friday morning for the coast of KwaZulu-Natal and the adjacent interior, as well as near Pietermaritzburg. Later, that northeasterly wind blowing strong in Richards Bay, where it will become hot, as well as hot and windy the afternoon in Ladysmith, Newcastle and Vryheid. In Mpumalanga, lots of mid-level cloud moving over the province and becoming very warm with maximum temperatures around 30 degrees. And then a very hot afternoon for Limpopo, lots of sunshine and maximum temperatures peaking in the mid to upper 30s. Temperatures and conditions are still ripe for runaway fires in northwest, so please take precaution with maximums above 30 into the afternoon and a fresh northwesterly wind blowing. Windy at times along the coast of the northern Cape and a cold start to your day for parts of the crew. Then later warming up over the central and eastern regions. Also windy at times as well as in parts of the Free State. Therefore, we still have that high fire danger in place 32 in Bloemfontein. Partly cloudy skies for the central and northern as well as eastern regions. Then a hot, dry and windy afternoon for Gauteng, 32 in Pretoria, 30 in Johannesburg, with no rain in the forecast. Finally, as your weekend forecast on Saturday, we have an upper level trough that might bring a few isolated showers for the central regions of South Africa, and overnight into Sunday, those isolated showers and possibly a few thunderstorms spreading eastwards over the rest of the Free State, Lesotho and KwaZulu-Natal. We have another onshore flow that's going to bring in cold and rainy conditions for the coast of the Western Cape, but remaining hot, dry and very warm to hot over the northeastern regions. Okay, it's time for Friday.